Hello, this is Blizzard Sheeva 9 that I have been testing today. It's aimed at somebody who wants to start getting into skiing a fatter ski. It's 92 underfoot, but not the least bit scary. It is really an amazing ski. Very versatile, do anything. If you only wanted to take away one pair of skis, but were hoping for a bit of powder, hoping for something a bit fatter, give you the flotation, but would still do everything you wanted on piste, then this could be the ski for you. Super value as well, nice graphics, have a go.